Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. I'm excited because I've gone and done a bit of a haul. Apparently I can't go into a shop without buying makeup or anything. It's a problem, it's a thing. I went into Kmart, my local chemist. Where else did I go? I think that was it. Let's dive right on in. One thing from Kmart. Maybe just take the little thing, I don't know, but I did. Got these shoes, I needed to replace my old shoes, and they were on clearance, because, you know, I can't say no to clearance items, and these were, how much were you? $5. Not bad, I thought. Bargain. Alright, so now the rest is all makeup. I'm going to go with the designer brand stuff. I really wanted to get the Sophia Acacia, is that how you pronounce it, palette. Sold out bloody everywhere, can't get it online, can't get it in store, but I managed to get the On The Go palette. Really cute packaging. I got this. I wasn't actually originally going to get it because I've got the Christmas one. Kind of similar, but I'm like, I will get them. Because it was on sale for like $10. And you see those swatches, or is my lighting too bright? You can kind of see. Anyway, I thought for $10, I thought I would grab that because cute little palette. I like designer brands. I also got some limited edition from their summer collection, so I don't think they're really around anymore, but I had to get it. It was the Enlighten Me Pressed Illuminator in Moonlight. And this was on special or clearance for $10. I think it's normally $15. There we are. Look how pretty is that? I love me a good highlighter, as if you guys don't know already. And then the last couple of things by designer brands is picked up the glitter dual pens, eyeshadow pens. Look at that. These were on clearance for, how much were you? $6.95. And they're normally, I think, $12 or something. So I picked those two. I'm wearing that one on my lid today. Really, really pretty. And then the last of the stuff, it's still quite a bit, but I didn't go cray, but like I bought a lot. I went into my chemist twice to pick up scripts, and they have like a new essence stand, and I'm like, ooh, new stuff. So I got the Super Curl mascara. I actually quite like the packaging. It looks really cool. And I also got the Instant Volume Boost mascara. I usually really do like essences. It's really hard to say, it's a plural. Mascara, I think they're really good. I bought enough because I want to do like a full face of Essence as a one brand tutorial. These I'm super excited about. They brought out glitter for your eyes. Focus. So pretty. That one's called Chameleon. I'll insert swatches. That one's called Life of the Party. Like, they're a loose, fine glitter. And this is the primer. New focus camera. I have new lighting and I'm trying to play around with the settings, and yeah. So yeah, the glitters were like $6.10 each, which I think is pretty good. Like, they're quite pretty. And then these caught my eye. I got the Colour Boost Vinylicious liquid lipstick. And I got the shade What Are You In? Because I can never read you without my glasses. Woody Rosy. And then this is super cute. Look at the packaging. Kind of almost reminds me of, is it the Sugar Pill lipsticks? When they're the miniatures, but they look really cute. And it's the new Colour Up Shine On, and this is in the shade 01, but it's like a nice little berry colour because I'm obsessed with the berry shades at the moment. And then I also picked up a eyeliner pencil in black and a liquid eyeliner because I've never actually used an Essence eyeliner pen, so I just picked up this one. It's a Super Last eyeliner in deep black, lasts 18 hours apparently. So I'm keen to give that one a whirl because I've got a couple of favourites, Mo Cosmetic and Rimmel London, so I'll see if that one's any good. And then I also got the 16 hour Stay Concealer because I've been meaning to try this. They didn't have my foundation in this range in stock at the time, but I want to get it when I'm going next, hopefully. Looks like a really good colour. So I picked up that. And then I also got this because it kind of intrigued me. It's the Essence Brighten Up Peach Powder. So it's a mattifying powder, but it's in a peach colour. So it's not a highlighter, it's not a blush. It's called Peach Me Up. So I'm going to give that a whirl. And last but not least, I have the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade Berry Me Up. I have tried the other ones. I think it's the satin formula, which I love. I haven't actually tried the matte one. This is Berry Me Up. Such a pretty shade. So yeah, that's my little haul from Essence and designer brands. Hope you guys like, and Kmart as well. As always, give this video a thumbs up and I shall see you in another video soon.